Oh, what's going on, y'all? We are trying out the new tripod. Got this off the TikTok shop, and follow with me. There it is. Was trying to get my care package redone because did not order. This is not what I ordered, but I love the knife, so I'm gonna keep it. But I'm trying to get what I got, but got this in today. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna do an unboxing on it. Okay. It's the exact same knife as this one. Oh, it's a good knife. Don't get me wrong, but I like. Get the pocket camera out of the way. Still trying to figure that out. That's I got a pretty good idea of what's gonna happen here, but hey, this way. Come on now. You know you want to. Come on now. This is what happens when you get the latest and greatest of technology and you can't understand it. There we go. But this is the exact same knife as this one here. So now let's try mine. See how mine does. Now if it rips, just know that's not the knife's fault. That's my fault. I mean, don't get it twisted. I love the knife, but so not what I ordered, but it's a fun little unboxing to do, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get this situation with my care package figured out, so that way I can get what I ordered and show it to y'all. So, yeah. Okay. What it is. Oh, here it is. It was a snake. It bit me twice. Okay. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Anyway, I'll have to look for it later. But not what I ordered, but fun little unboxing nonetheless. So anyway, y'all have a good one. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'm gonna try to get this situation with my care package figured out, so that way I can get what I ordered and show it to y'all. So y'all have a good one.